My name's Emma Gallen, and I'm the publisher at the University of London Press. Firstly, I'd like to wish Simon Newman, the author of Freedom Seekers, a huge congratulations for winning the ACLS Open Access Award. The book is a major accomplishment and it really is richly deserved. But for us at the University of London Press, it's also, it means a massive amount to us to win the Arcadia Open Access Publishing Award. We worked very closely with Simon through all the very typical stages of the publishing process. We put all of our books through 2 rounds of peer review on the proposal stage and the final manuscript stage. And then the process was very collaborative with Simon as well. So we worked through the copy editing, the typesetting, the proofreading, and the final production stages very closely with him. We also put a lot of thought into how to market and promote the book and worked very closely with Simon and his ideas on that as well. We recognised that it's an incredibly important book and it has the potential to reach multiple and broader audiences. I think a real statement has also been made in offering the ACLS prize and the Arcadia prize together collectively for authors and for publishers, and really highlighting that this is a collaborative endeavour. So we're in a really interesting moment for open access books at the moment, and if we want to start open access books publishing in any sort of large-scale way, we're going to need creative solutions and collaborative solutions because it's not straightforward. So we're going to see new levels of collaboration between publishers and researchers and institutions, all working together in brand new ways, and I think the prize really does exemplify this. I think the ACLS and Arcadia Open Access Book Prizes have the potential to make a huge impact. They really do spotlight the excellent work that is going on in open access in books publishing at the moment.